Hi, today we are going to discuss the topic is mock interview session. So this mock interview session mainly on packaging and app exchange products. Before we are going to start, let's have a great quote. One day can change everything. So let's start. For an ISVforce app, what determines the features you should use in your solution? When should you decide which editions your app supports? Which kind of trials we can offer via AppExchange? What does TrialForce offer that the other types of trials don't? If you want to demo a product that uses a complicated external system to visualize data for a building, what's the easiest way to prepare it? Let's see. So think about it for a few seconds. If you can answer, now we are going to reveal answers. For an ISVforce app, what determines the features you should use in your solution? So it means the customer edition, user licenses, and feature and permission set licenses. When should you decide which editions your app supports? Before you design your application and before you build your application. What kind of trials or what type of trials we can offer via AppExchange? Installable trial, test drive, and trial force. Okay, so what is installable trial here? So if you take something like some of your prospective customers already use Salesforce and can access one or more orgs. If you want to let them play with your product using their existing data, they can install your package on a trial basis into one of their sandbox or production org. We call this an installable trial. What is test drive then? It lets a prospect log into a pre-configured org and look around using an evaluation account. It's easy to deploy, but it's read only. Users can't change any data. But user can see pre-built data and understand your application by executing your application. What is trial force here? It creates an entirely new trial org containing the app or application, populating it with a custom sample data. So this trial force requires more preparation, but you can customize it. Okay, what does trial force offer that the other types of trials don't? So trial force allows extensive customization. If you want to demo a product that uses a complicated external system to visualize data for building, what's the easiest way to prepare it? A test drive. So you can have a look into this reference if you want to know more details about these topics, that is ISV, app, trial head, and you can go through ISVforce guide also, ISVforce development guide. Okay, all the best. Please subscribe to Salesforce Tech.